Rosé D.O.C. Sicily. We started producing this wine in 2007. The decision to start with Nero d'Avola had an evident reasoning. It is our favorite variety among the red ones, especially here, in the area of Dispensa, in Memphis, where this grape variety finds vineyards with a quite deep soil, mixed between clay and calcareous, allowing the wine to preserve a playful soul and a wonderful vibration. All this is then completed by Syrah, a grape variety that brings more spicy notes to this blend. Maceration on the skins happens only for more or less an hour after having filled up the press, obtaining, in this way, this color that brings us immediately to the beach, reminding us of the beautiful sunset over the Portopalo Sea. Stating the great presence of this wine on its own as an aperitivo, as a pairing, it finds its soulmate in a plate of shrimps from Mazzara, maybe with some peaches. The same peach essences that we also find in its organoleptic notes. Scents and flavors of the tabacchiera peach flesh. Salute!